Cincinnati. We're going to be going around the city. First, we're going to stop at the Sleepy Bee restaurant, which is just something I randomly found on the internet. And then we're going to go to the Cincinnati Art Museum after like looking around downtown a bit. And then finally, the Conservatory, I think it's called. So that's going to be really fun. That's why I wanted to come here in the first place, because they have a Bali butterfly exhibit this summer. It's through September, but yeah, I really wanted to see that, so that's why we're here today. The weather here is kind of iffy. It's supposed to rain a lot this afternoon, and it's just really cloudy and like dreary outside right now, so as you can see, so that's fun. It was raining like literally all the way here, but hopefully it doesn't rain too much for the time that we're here. So my outfit of the day is just this Zara top, which is this lily print top, and then I'm wearing my Daniel Wellington watch and my Pandora bracelet, and then just my like little Zara skirt, this Francesca's bag, which is just a suede bag, and then my Vans, which I didn't feel like wearing anything else today, especially with the rain. I did not want to get my shoes ruined. So anyhow, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications if you want to find out when my next videos are coming out, and I will see you in a few.
Nothing down here besides the cafe.
No, this is supposed to be downtown, so somewhere around here should be the art museum and everything.
I think we'd have to go a little far. It's pretty big downtown.
Yeah, but we have another couple of hours. Why don't we just take a little walk? Or another hour or so. Oh my gosh, there's cicadas everywhere. Oh dear. Oh, nope, nope, nope. They hurt my emotional well-being. I can't deal. What?
We could eat in there.
Oh, I didn't know they had one.
No, I don't like Skyline.
We need to get the
I like Skyline.
It's a little overrated.
We can get Skyline for dinner.
Dinner?
Yeah. We just went to the Sleepy Bee Cafe, so the food I thought was really good. McKenna did not like it very much. She thought it was too sweet, but she can't handle like pretty much any sweets at all anymore. We both got the gluten-free, what was it? Chocolate chip pancakes, and then they had like a syrup which was really different. I don't know if it was like a honey-based syrup or something. But yeah, I thought it was really good. I got hot chocolate and some bacon, and they had a really cute, like, yeah, McKenna loved the coffee though. They had a really cute like store section where you could get things related to the Sleepy Bee Cafe. There are lots of cicadas around here. They're everywhere. Yeah, but you could get things. McKenna and I each got a mug, which was really cute, and yeah, we're just walking.
That was it.
Did one hit you in the head again?
We're just walking around town now before our like time runs out on the.
Oh,
hold on.
You started making all that noise.
We're just walking around town now before our time runs out on the meter, and then we'll go to the art museum. Threads Boutique.
you wanna go to a boutique?
Sure. I figured you'd like the red one.
Where's the red one at?
I don't know. You'd have to ask her. I might get the white one. Normally, I'd like the pink, but I like the color of the white one better. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, that's the red one. Oh, that one's really nice. You should get that one.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what is this? A headband? Oh, it's one of these guys. It's one of those tie ribbon thingies. I like these.
I think I'm gonna get this umbrella.
This?
Kenny, you should get the red one. Why can't I stop getting distracted?
What?
We need to decide.
Okay, well, hold on. I don't know. I might have a problem.
We got the umbrellas, and that was a really, really nice shop. It was really cute. And now we're gonna go probably walk around a little bit, and the sun is finally out. Thank goodness. Hallelujah.
Fine.
Oh my gosh, another cicada. Terrifying.
We're
gonna use these as
All right,
weapons.
take it easy, kiddos.
I'm ready.
This place is so much better than Chicago.
You're telling me. We're already having a much better time than we did in Chicago. We were just attacked by a cicada.
He just like,
You better start heading back.
yeah. Let's go walk back to the safety of the car.
I hate cicadas.
That cicada was chasing you. Oh my gosh.
I hate cicadas.
Oh, I hate one with my umbrella.
I'm checking out.
Oh,
I knocked it out. I don't know.
that was literally chasing her. Did you see that? Umbrellas are definitely worth the money. Whoa! We're using these to protect ourselves from from the cicadas. So we're here at the Cincinnati Museum Center. We were gonna go to the art museum, but apparently they are closed on Mondays. Just along with a lot of other things, like the what was it? The Underground Railroad is closed museum. The aquarium is closed on Mondays. Like everything. So we were lucky to find something else to do. So they have like lots of different museums and stuff and exhibits. So I'm really excited to look at that. Literally no one here.
Ooh, look at that. I've never seen a giant dinosaur before, huh?
I have at the Smithsonian. That is.
Is that how big they really were?
Yeah, probably.
They look so small in Jurassic Park.
They do. what is all of this of?
Looks like some galaxies. Wait, no.
It looks like insects. These are bugs.
Yeah.
They made bugs actually look cool. I don't know how.
Kind of gross me.
Now that I'm seeing it. Oh, that's just.
That's like a snake.
I'm gonna go now. What do you think of the museum?
Oh, pretty good so far, but we barely gotten into it. So.
Yeah, it's much better than the Field Museum in Chicago so far.
Let's go this way. This place is cool.
That's like the kids center, I think. So we're having a lot of fun here. Those are blind cave fish. I've never seen that kind of fish before.
Tetra is a freshwater fish. Some members of the species called the blind cave form have evolved to live in the total darkness of caves. These fish have no eyes, no color, more taste buds, and more fat.
Wow.
Tetra populations that live above ground do not have these special adaptations. I already named Shelly, so you can't name
Shelly?
Yes.
That's Shelly. Shelly! Remember that?
No.
Shelly!
What's it? Which one? Which
Finding
one?
Dory. Remember?
I don't
He's
really.
like, oh my gosh. It was the clam who said, oh my gosh, I have had no one to talk to in ages. You know, my girlfriend? Yeah, she was a clam. She left. And
This is Shelly. Ooh, this looks cool. This looks really cool.
I like space.
What the?
Oh my gosh, it moves.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
You step and it moves. Wait. Check this out.
Whoa.
Are you ready? Oh my gosh. Kill.
Hey, let me see that.
I am okay.
This is literally so much cooler than the Field Museum.
Kayla,
What?
I'm a bender now.
This is the Cincinnati Museum. You get 2 museums for the price of 1, and actually 3 normally, but one of them is closed on Mondays, I guess. So we went to the Natural History Museum, and now we're at the Cincinnati Museum. There's yours.
There you go.
There's ours. This is my favorite. What do you think, McKenna? It's so cool how you can become a mural. We are a mural together.
Dude.
Sick.
Wait. I got it. Ready?
Yes.
firmly grasp it. I don't know. I'm just quoting SpongeBob.
Boat replica. And a town. Ooh, it's a town. Whoa. The whole town. Queen of the West. Oh my gosh.
Said having your photo taken in the 1850s was serious business. The subject had to sit perfectly still for 20 to 90 seconds while the camera captured an image. Maintaining dignified pose could be a challenge, especially.
So apparently you can take photos with this. It looks really complicated though, but you can take photos here. This is really cool. It's like a printing press thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like type for a printing press thing. There's so much interactive stuff. I love that there's so many interactive things. That looks uncomfortable. Where? Ah.
I wish they had the water that moves, like, you know,
Like they did at
Big
the
lights or
Titanic
something?
Museum, remember?
oh.
That's what they did at the Titanic
Wait, but it was
Museum.
real water.
It was?
Yeah.
Oh, well, they should have done that. So we are on our way to another place to eat, possibly the Lionsville Cafe. It's just something that I saw on our phone. I saw on the internet that was near the Cincinnati Museum Center. And next we're just gonna do that and then maybe go straight to the Chrome Conservatory. But it is a surprisingly nice day today. It's still pretty gloomy, but it hasn't rained since we got into the city. It was raining a ton on the way here, but yeah. Hopefully it stays nice and we don't have to walk around in a bunch of rain. To the Rose Street, was it Rose Street?
Yeah.
Cafe instead of the other one, which we couldn't find. So we're just gonna go there and get some food. Hopefully they have something good that we can eat, and then we'll see what time it is after there. We might need to go straight to the conservatory after that, if we can even find it. Honestly, we've been driving around for a few minutes and we haven't found the cafe yet.
I found it.
It's just like
We just can't find a parking spot.
Didn't find it.
I saw it.
well, McKenna saw it apparently, but we can't find any place to park.
There was like
We can't
a
find
sign.
any place to park. So we couldn't get to that one either. We found it, we just couldn't get any parking. So now we're on our third cafe. We finally found parking, thankfully. So now we're gonna quickly go get a snack and then go to the Chrome Conservatory before the time we have to be there, because it's very strict apparently about when you have to be there and everything. We raspberry scone, and Dad's getting the maple scone, and McKenna's getting the coffee cake muffin. Got snacks. We're at the conservatory. It's so pretty here. So much nature. I love this so much. That's a chocolate tree. Exhibit, and now we're gonna go home. This is really fun going to Cincinnati. Like super, I was surprised at how many like fun things there were to do. So yeah, it's time to go home though.